Good morning, guys! Happy Monday!
Our first day together, just us.
Yeah, just us.
That was a
First
casino.
time na kami lang apat, guys. Kasi since dumating kami, we were with Mike's
tell me if you wanna sit
mom,
down.
and then
I
we
can
were
push you.
seeing friends. So first day namin na we'll do things.
No, Ati's walking.
So nandito kami ngayon sa Albert Park Lake. Pupunta kami ngayon sa South Melbourne. I'm very happy kasi tingnan nyo. Naglalakad si Manay. Careful! So, kaninang umaga si Daddy Mike, nagplano na siya kung ano yung gagawin namin with the kids. So, we'll do some fun things with the kids today. Yung mga laro-laro and all. But, since maglalakad naman kami dito papuntang South Melbourne, ay pupunta muna kami ng op shop. So, we'll check out few. I think there's 1, 2, 3. I think there's 3 op shop. Ukay. Alam niyo na si mami niyo, guys. Dito sa South Melbourne na sobrang love ko, guys. Kasi gaganda ng mga paninda nila. So, hopefully, we'll find something today. Yeah, it is pretty cool in Melbourne today, guys. But tingnan nyo kami ni Daddy Mike. Daddy Mike, best in shorts. Si mami nyo, best in skirt.
That look alright?
Show me, answer it.
That look Brisbane?
Yeah, Daddy is so Brisbane. Oh, diba? Bongga. Show me, Daddy. That's my outfit. Can you see it?
Yeah. I can see it. Looking good. Looking like she just stepped out of Wimbledon.
Parang na ano.
Don't make them noises in front of me.
Parang nag, how do you call it? Baseball?
Tennis club.
Okay.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my God, seriously. Yeah, at hindi na nakapag-make up si mami niyo, guys, kasi late kami gumising kami ng umaga. And
face first, yeah. Up to the floor.
And si Daddy Mike ay nag-gym na and all. Kami ng mga kids nasa bed pa. And then, you know, kailangan kong paliguan yung mga kids and all. So, hindi na. Wala nang time si mami niyo.
Bye. Went on the floor over there, and I was like doing a little trick. And this is the box that one.
Oh, okay.
And the box was very dry and sharp. That's why I had.
Tingnan nyo, ang outfit ng mga kids, ganyan lang yan siya, guys. But they are very warm. Kasi nilagyan ko ng pang-ilalim na long sleeve na shirt na turtleneck. And then, yung pang-ilalim nila, guys, yung yung pants, meron yan silang leggings. Leggings underneath the joggers nila.
Anyhow, just trying to get these kids to start walking, which is always a bit of a challenge. As Jovi mentioned, we're just heading to the shops. What have you got?
Pound.
A cone?
Yeah.
Whoa!
One for you.
Can I see? Thank you, Celine. Okay, let's go. Go get mummy. Tag. Catch mummy. Run. Woohoo! Yeah, so anyway. It's actually surprisingly a pretty nice day for Melbourne. We've sort of got it lucky, I reckon, since we've been here. You know, pretty much sunny days. Not too cold, which is, again, coming from Queensland, that's a bit of a anomaly. So yeah, you couldn't have asked for a better few days, to be fair. Anyhow, this is Albert Park Lake, nice, serene. We'll catch you later when we get back to South Melbourne.
I've got like a sticker sa kanilang bintana, guys. It looks like may tao na nakadungaw. Oh, have a look at this flower, nak. Oh, cute.
Wish I could have it.
Beautiful.
Happy and money.
Yeah. I'm here, baby girl. Are you looking for me? There you go. See? Look. Who's that? Who's that, Bob?
That's so funny. That's so funny.
Here's the first op shop we're going into, guys. It's the Sacred Heart Mission. So, andito to siya sa Clarendon Street. Careful with the doggy, Bobby. He's a good boy. Look, okay, we're gonna go in. Come, we'll see what I have in here.
But everyone else is doing it.
Mm-hmm.
Marbles.
Oh, yeah. That's a good shoes. That's too big. I used to come here all the time, guys. Dito kami nakatira every single day. Meron silang Louis Vuitton dyan. What have you got there, ate? Stuff. Ayun, si Daddy Mike doon. Baby Celine. Nasa ilalim. Wala pa ako nakitang bed, guys. That's cute, baby girl. Here's my favorite fish and chips, guys. So, nandito pa kami. Favorite. Okay, we'll see if they still sell the... The snack pack still there. Here, honey, oh. But before, guys, Bob, this before was $6.90. It's $10.90. Okay, we'll grab that one. Okay, and then we can just share. Fish calamari, yeah.
Fish calamari.
Amy doesn't like sauce.
You want sausage roll?
Want to drop?
No, Daddy. No, I don't want some.
It's okay. We'll wait for our calamari and chips. Okay, it's coming. Just stay there. Jajari-jo. Yummy. Oh, it's so okay, baby. Yummy. Yummy, come on. Careful, it's hot. Go, go, go.
Is it good, Bobby?
No, now it's hot.
It's good to taste it again.
Me too hot.
Sama ano?
I don't know.
Bawal ko san?
Not sure.
Calamari. That one's calamari. Lemon.
Oh, this is good stuff, guys. I'm so happy na ganun pa rin yung taste niya after like 3 years.
That cheese.
Yung presyo lang talaga yung i-change.
Let's have that one.
Tingnan itong dalawa kumakain ng lemon. Is it sweet lang? Is it sour?
Pop. No. It's just lollipop.
Yummy. Come on, keep going. Wala akong nabili doon sa first op shop, guys. But Daddy bought a jacket for himself. Diyan. Makapal na makapal. So this is, well, we're approaching the second op shop now, the Red Cross shop. Come on, sweetheart. And then after this ay magbili tayo ng hot drinks natin. And we'll go sa casino. Like, I mean, like, not casino na maglalaro na ano, guys. Doon kasi lahat yung mga...
Mama, where are we going?
Just here, my love. Yung mga laro for kids. May isa pang op shop dito. Sa side naman dito. But, we're not going there today. Kasi maubusan kami ng time. Lini, come on! Ang batang to kumakain ng lemon. Ikaw na, Jude. Okay, baby. But yeah, this one. If you are in Melbourne, guys, this is worth checking out as well. This way. Come on. having some hot chocolate and iced chocolate from here, guys. This is one of the best place for hot chocolates. Hot chocolate, winter na winter iced chocolate pa rin. So, punta na kami ngayon sa tram stop, guys. Yes? You're not cold? That's good. We'll catch a tram to Crown. Nandun na sila, oh. Baby sila na starting to suki-suki na. Oh my god, look at that Fendi. This is what I'm talking about, guys. Like cash converters in Melbourne. That Fendi bag, I wanna ask. Oh my god, that mini long. Oh, this is so cute. Kakababa lang namin from the tram, guys. Nandito kami, ayan. Punta kami ng Crown. Okay, come on, let's go. Ate, cold na ba? Ha? Cold na ba? Ano? We're going inside there.
See, Crown. Ati.
Oh, that's
Holy moly.
Come on, Aling.
Darling.
Come on. We're looking for Holy Moly. Kasi may ano daw eh. What's up?
There you go.
Mini golf. You choose. Get the green one. Oh. Where did it go?
my turn.
That is balls there.
Okay.
Okay, next is Ati.
Ati.
Yeah. Closer. Oh, well done, Ati. Do that way. Lini's turn. Put the ball here, Lini. Ball here.
Wow, nearly, Lynn.
Okay.
Wow, nearly.
Yeah. We'll do it hard. Ready? One. Move your foot. Move your foot. Ready? 1, 2.
Wow, good job, lady. My
Oh,
turn.
Lini's the closest.
Yeah.
Try mommy.
I told you.
Oh, mommy got it in one.
What?
Okay, that's mommy's one. One.
Doesn't matter.
Come, brother.
Look, I'll show you. It's not real.
Not real.
Have a look, Adi.
See? Look at that thing, see?
Come on, your turn.
Okay, Lini, let's play this one. 1, 2, 3.
Good job.
Do you want to go in there too? Go. Thanks, Ati. Go. We got Melbourne. So next, Ati. Get that side, Mama.
Melbourne. Oh, here. Standing in. So cute here. Oh, look at the phone cover.